Wow, look at that, guys. Look how fast that's spinning. I'm up at the deer farm. We've got a storm going on in the UK. It's really bloody windy. So I'm just come to check, make sure no lids are blown off and stuff. And I've got a super, so I can put on that national hive so that I can get some fondant on them. I've not got no bloody bee hat on. So I'm just planning on straight away lifting the lid on it, slapping the bloody fondant on it to cover the holes so the bees can't come out and get me, getting the empty super box on as a feeder shim, and then slap the lid back on and just make sure nothing's blown away. That's all I'm going to do. So I'll be back after I've been stung to shit all around the face and everything, and my eyeballs. So yeah, we're good, no lids or no. I don't think there'll be bees flying, but you never know. Little bee at the door there. Bees at the door here, look. So this is the hive that we're gonna just put it on. Let's have a quick snout at the others. Everything up here's got bricks on the roofs, so yeah, these girls. Bees at the door on that one. Bloody hell. Get on here. Dead here. It's alright, little lady. See where that box don't fit very well, the bees have properlised it to waterproof it. Doing a bit of work themselves. Worrying at this time of year, you see, because you don't see your bees. But anyway, let's get this on. Quick, I'm going to be quick. I'm going to pause the video. So that's all we've done, look. We've just got the fondant on them, over the feed, over the crown board. And we just needed that to make a feeder shim basically. So that's every hive up here set for winter. So all the best, girls. You know, I'll be back every week to just top yous up and check yous fondant. I know you're good today, so I can see bees at that door as well. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. I've seen bees at that one. I've seen bees at that one. Oh hello, you want me to help you? Look, I'll help you. Let's get it out for you. There's quite a few dead in front of this one. That was the one that was mega active last time, remember? Alright little bees. Hope you're all good for winter now. Yeah, I don't really want to crack lids. So we'll call it done up here. We've got the other farm. I might move that hive as well while I'm up there. Don't know yet. Let's get one there. Oh look, I can see him up here on the bloody roof. Shit. Don't sting me. So that lid won't seal very well, will it? Feel a bit of a draft in there. But we've seen a bee. Yeah, we're done. Donkeys were just shouting then. Little mini donkeys, 4 of them. Got a horse here, look. It must be feeding time or something, because they're all like, they're all pretty. Let's have a look at the horse. Hello horsey. Is it dinner time or something? Bye bye horsey. I don't know why I talk to animals like they could like understand me. They must look at me and think, what is this fool going on about? Anyway, I'm going up the other farm.